Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Innocent Kumkur. So you are new to this channel, can subscribe to my YouTube channel, please and please. So in this very video, I'm going to teach you how to pin your purse. The way you are looking this purse like this, the purse is pinned. You can see it at the top here. You see pin purse. Yes, it is pinned already. So I'm going to show you how to go about it like this, because I know that you will come to this three dot from the purse, whether you can see option like this that can tell that you can pin the purse. There is not any option that can find it here like this on your phone. So I'm going to show you how to go about doing it on your phone. I know that if you log into your PC, your laptop, you can able to do it easily. The option will come out, but I'm still going to show you how to do it on your mobile phone. So let me show you how to go about it. This one is pinned already, so I'm going to show you in my second account. Or can I unpin it? No, I'll show you on my second account. Okay, let me move from here. Okay, let's go to Chrome browser. If it doesn't have Chrome, you must have it. Yes, you click on the Chrome browser and log into your account. Yes, my account is logged in already. My second account is here already. Okay, let me go to my profile. Okay, let me check pause here where I can pin it. Right, see. Okay, let me see this one. The joining of success is not start by with money. Okay, sorry. Let me click on the three dots from the pause. Okay, it's loading. Okay, wow, the option is not also here. The option is not also here. So I'm still going to show you how to go about it. Okay, if you didn't see the option, so you may see it, you may not see it, but as of my own case, I didn't find it here. So what you can do is that you can come back again, go to Facebook, not Facebook like they are seeing it here. If it doesn't have a Facebook, the main Facebook, not the Facebook Lite, go and download it. So I also have it. So I'll come to Facebook here. Okay, the account is logged in already. Okay, here, let me go to my profile. Okay, let's see. Okay, let me check which pause I can pin it for you to see. Okay, let me come to the same pause you saw it there. Okay, let me click on the three dots. You can see it at the top. The first option is pin pause. You can click it. You see, your pause has been pinned. Yes, you can see. Okay, come to the top now. You see it at the top now. See the pause that was down there now, but it is at the top now because you pin it. When you pin it, it will become the toppest pause among your pause. Anybody that comes to your profile, that's the first pause that the person will find. So this is how to go about it. So thank you for watching video. It is very, very good. You should subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you get more videos from me like this. Thank you a lot for watching. Please like this video if you found it useful to you. Thank you very much. Bye bye.